Hello, good day. In this virtual class, we'll be looking at how to carry out division of number uh, using only prime numbers to arrive at the quotients. Okay. Now here we look at the first question here: 816 divided by 48. Now here it is very possible that the quotient can be arrived using what we call prime division method. In this case, we use prime number that can divide either the dividend or both the dividend and the divisor. Okay, let's take a look at this question. The first one here is 816. So how do we do this? We write this 816, and here we write 48. Okay, we write 48 and 816, and here we look for a prime number that can divide both. Okay, now here since the unit digit of this number are even number, 2 as a prime number can divide them. So remember that prime number are all those numbers that has only 2 factors. Example of prime numbers include 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, and so on. Alright, now let's look at this. 2 in 4 is 2, 2 in 40, 2 in 8 is 4. So here 2 in 8 is 4. Now 2 in 1 is not possible. All we need to do, we have to put the 0 here first, multiply this one by 10 and add it to this to make it 16. Okay, the reason why we multiply this by 10 is because we're operating in base 10. So here it becomes 16. So 2 in 16, definitely that gives 8. Now 2 as a prime number can also divide. So 2 in 2 is 1, 2 in 4 is 2. So 2 in 4 here is 2, 2 in 0 is 0, and 2 in 8 is 4. So 2 as a prime number can also grow. 2 in 12 is 6, 2 in 2 is 1, 2 in 0 is 0, and 2 in 4 is 2. So 2 as a prime number can also divide. 2 in 6 is 3, and 2 in 10 here is 5, and 2 in 2 is 1. Okay, now let's look at this. Here this is 3. So 3, let's see if 3 can divide this. 3 here, 1. 3 in 5 is 1, leaving a remainder of 2. And 2 in 3 into that 2 is not possible. All you need to do, you multiply that 2 by 10. 2 times 10, 20. Add it to this to make it 21. How many 3 are contained in 21 is just 7. Now a situation where a prime number or set of prime number can divide both the dividend and the divisor, and the last prime number used here reduces to the divisor to 1, then the corresponding value here becomes the quotient. So in this case, 816 divided by 48, the quotient is 17. That's one case. Now let's look at another case. For the number 2, we have 152 divided 19. Now let's look at this case. This is quite a little bit different. Now in a situation like this, you can't use a guesswork to know how many of these are contained in this. Okay, that is, the divisor is a prime number, but you don't know how many of these are contained in this. All you need to do, you don't need to bother about the divisor in this case. Your interest should be on the dividend. Then you look at those price number that can divide this. Okay, then you have to reduce this dividend until it is reduced to the divisor. So once that is done, you have to stop. In that case, you don't need to use the divisor at any level. Okay, so here 2 can divide this 2 in, because 2 cannot divide 19 exactly, so we'll bring 19 down. 2 in 15 is 7, leaving a remainder of 1. So 2 in 12, in that case, that gives us 6. So 2 can still divide this. 2 in 76 is 2 in 7 is 3, leaving a remainder of 1. That 1 and 6 becomes 16. 2 is 16 is 30. 2 in 16 is 8. So that means 2 divided 76 is 38. Now because 2 cannot divide this, we have to bring it down. So 2 can also divide this. So 2 in 38 here. 2 in 3 is 1, leaving a remainder of 1 here, making it 1 and 8 to be 18. So 2 in 18 is 9. Now, in the situation you are able to reduce the dividend so that it will have the same value with the divisor, then you have to stop here. So you have no business with this. For you to obtain your quotient is first for you to find all the divisor that you use to achieve this. Okay, so here the quotient become 2 times 2 times 2, and that eventually gives 8. You can use your calculator to try that out. Now let's look at the last one. 136 divided by 17. So in that case we write 17 and 136. Okay, 17 and 136. If you look at what we have there, because 17 is a prime number, as you know, but if you are handling this to young lads, how do you do it? Then you don't need to bother yourself. Like I said earlier on, you just look for a prime number that can actually handle the dividend. In that case, 2 can go. 2 here, it's not possible. We'll bring this down. 2 in 13 is 6, leaving a remainder of 1. That 1 we have to attach it to that number to make it 16, because 2 in 1 is not possible. So that 1 is multiplied by 10, and you add the digits to the right to it, which is now 6. So 10 plus 6, 16. So how many 2 are contained in 16 is simply just 8. So like I said, you don't need to bother about this. Okay, so here 2 here, we'll bring it here 17. 2 in 6 is 3, and 2 in 8 is 4. So here 2 can also divide this. So here we bring 17 down. 2 in 3 is 1, and 2 in 3 is 1, leaving a remainder of 1. So we attach it to it to make it 14. So 2 in 14 is simply 7. Now we see a situation where the divisor and the dividend are now the same. In that case, you have to stop. You have no business with these 2 number here. To obtain your quotient, you should look at this and find their product. Okay, so the 136 divided by 17 is equals to 2 times 2 times 2, and that eventually gives 8. Now, please, this is how to handle division of number if the number are so large that you can also use prime number to achieve or arrive at the quotient. Please, if this video is very useful to you, please help me subscribe, like, share, and follow my Facebook page. See you in my next virtual class.